अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। अल हक़ इस्लामिक चैनल में आप सब का खैर मक़दम है। आप हज़रात से गुजारिश की जाती है हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करके हमारी हिम्मत अफजाई करें।
Brain is present in our heart bony box, that is called cranium. What is that? Cranium. So cranium, it is a hard bony box in which our brain is present. So here you can see this is the mammalian brain. So this mammalian brain will have same appearance like our brain. Okay? So this is the largest part, cerebrum. What is this? Cerebrum. And this is the second largest part, cerebellum. Cerebellum. And this is the last part, that is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. So from here the spinal cord will continue. And this right and left, there are two partitions in between. If you cut this, you can see one small area is there. So with this, if you are cutting down, two parts will become. That part we are calling cerebral hemisphere. What is that? Cerebral hemisphere. What is that? Cerebral hemisphere. So two cerebral hemisphere will be present. Right cerebral hemisphere and left cerebral hemisphere. And these cerebral hemisphere will control the functions of our body. Okay? So these cerebral hemisphere, it has memory, thinking, reasoning. Okay? In the reader it is there. Take out the brain box is there. 101, I think, page number. Page number 101. See there. Blue box. So in that you can see cerebrum. Cerebrum is there. So function of cerebrum you see there. Reasoning, memory, perception. It is there or not? Yes, sir. And in the medulla oblongata, before that, this second largest part, see cerebellum. Cerebellum. This is the second largest part. So in that you can see what are the function of cerebellum? Body posture, equilibrium. Equilibrium means balance. Now you are sitting, you are in a balanced position. So this position is also maintained by this cerebellum. And one more function, what is that? Muscle tone, muscles. If you see the small children muscle and if you are comparing that with the old age people, the muscle tone value will be day by day, year by year, it will be reduced. If you pinch the tissue or the muscles of old age people, within a few seconds or after few seconds, that muscle tone will be like that only. But for babies, if you are pinching, within a fraction of seconds it will get normal. For old age people, it will not get normal. So this muscle tone will be maintained by this second largest part, that is cerebellum. And if you see on the cerebrum, you can see there are some ridges. Ridges बोले तो ये उठे हुआ हिस्सा, that we are calling gyri. See in the reader, gyri. And below, beside that, some lines are there. That is sulci. What is that? Sulci. And this sulci is very important because this sulci will form the four lobes. Number one is frontal lobe. What is that? Frontal lobe. Front part. Then side you can see parietal lobe will be present. Here one and here one. And at the back side, exact back side, this side, you can see this is occipital lobe. Occipital lobe. So this is occipital lobe. And here you can see temporal lobe. So frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe and temporal lobe. So these four lobes are there in the sulci. And one more thing you have to remember, at the upper surface of brain you will see the grey matter. See there? in the cerebrum, brain, page number 100 you can see. So gray matter on the outer side, but if you are cutting it and seeing in between in the center, it has white matter. What it has? White matter. So why the gray matter and white matter is appearing? Gray matter is due to the presence of neuron cell bodies. Because our nervous system is made up of 100 billion neurons. So that neuron cell body will appear at the upper side. So that's why it has grey color appearance. But if you are cutting down it in the center, there will be white matter. Why white matter? Because myelinated axons. What is that? Myelinated axons. So due to the presence of myelinated axons, the brain in the center have white matter. What is that? White matter. So, got the point? Yes, sir. See in that, if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Yes. Mohsin, you have any doubt?
Yes, sir. Where is this pituitary gland?
Pituitary gland, it will be present in between. The grey matter, I have said you that it will be on the periphery. White matter will be in the center. So if you are cutting down, then only you can be able to see the white matter. So this diagram is present in your reader. So here you can see the labeling. What is the labeling of this white? Tell me. So corpus callosum, which connects both the cerebral hemisphere. Here, cerebellar hemisphere. This is the cerebellar hemisphere. Second largest part. Ninth just I have said that diencephalon, epithalamus, hypothalamus will be present. The hypothalamus will be. body box we are calling as cranium. What is that? Cranium. So this is our brain. 2% of the total body weight. Brain weight is about
2% of the body weight.
or 1400 grams in males, 1300 grams in females. So if you see, so like this same diagram, it is there in your reader. So you can see in your reader, page number 101, you can see there. Is there or not?
Yes.
So here, so the brain, that's why I have cut it. So it will be like this. So our brain weight is about in percentage 2% of the total body weight. 2% of the
Body weight.
So if you see the brain, it has three major parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. So the upper portion, this we are calling as forebrain, and the midbrain will be at the middle part. You can see in the middle here, and the hindbrain will be of this cerebellum and this part, medulla oblongata. These two consist of hindbrain. So medulla oblongata, this is the last part. Cerebellum, second largest part. In the reader you can see cerebellum. And this is the cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. You can see the functions it control memory, thinking, perception. So all the things it will be there. The memory, the answers which you will remember to write in the exams, that will be the largest part, cerebrum. And one more thing in the cerebrum, if you see, there are ridges. So this we are calling as gyri. See the reader gyri. And the grooves, canal type structure we are calling as sulci. What is that?
Sulci.
So if you see the sulci, again it has 4 lobes. How many lobes?
4 lobes.
So here